Today, we are buying a motorcycle. Hopefully, we got $800 in cash here. It was listed for $1,000. We got cash, we got a truck, we got a ramp, and like 2 straps. Recently, I realized I want a motorcycle with power. So we're going to look at a 750 Kawasaki something. I don't even. We're gonna do, for the first ever on this channel, we're gonna film our interaction with this guy. The goal, I hope it's not crap. I really hope the bike is good. I want to buy it today and go home. I'm excited. I'm gonna haggle with him a little bit, but the owner of the bike is busy. But he has someone selling it for him, and it sounds like an older guy.
Sounds like his dad or something.
Sounds like an old guy, and he's very nice. So I don't want to be weird. I was like, can you take PayPal or something? I only have 800 cash. He's like, well, come see the bike and make sure you want it. So I don't know. I'm scared and I'm excited. Hopefully it's a good bike. Just gonna send it. We're gonna send it. This should be interesting. I've done many Facebook deals. I've bought lots of bikes, sold lots of bikes. I've never filmed an interaction though. So we'll see how this goes. See you when we get there.
Oh yeah.
How you doing?
Hey, I'm Rich.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Hello, Rich. How are you?
Hey. Okay, this is the bike.
Do you know why he's selling it?
It's not one he would normally do. He fixed it up. He's flipping it.
Okay.
Okay, the only thing is that the choke is broken. You gotta do the manually.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you know how to do that, I don't.
Okay.
So this is a fast bike.
Yeah. You mind if I try to start it?
Go ahead. All you gotta do, if you know how to get it manually flip that choke.
Look at that.
The only thing is there's no headlight on it.
All right.
Yeah, it's cold.
Cool tips. Look at that.
It runs.
Oh yeah.
I'm not sure if it's firing every cylinder. It seems a little rough, but it might
Yeah.
be awesome.
Valves are ticking a little bit. Clapper. Yeah, I think this is perfect for what we're gonna do with it, bro. Oh, you heard that pop? Oh yeah.
It's running a little rough, but I mean, it just needs a little work.
Yeah.
A little carburetor tune, a little carb clean.
Sounds pretty cool.
For that front tire, it has seen better days, bro.
Does it have air in it?
Yeah, it's good on here. Yeah, good enough. Oh.
I mean, it rips a little bit. It needs some work. It needs like a car wheel. It needs some work.
Bro, tell me 700.
I don't want to haggle too much, but
Okay. I spoke to him, and the least he would take is 700.
okay.
Okay.
Between 700 and 1,000, I think what you said you had was 8.
Yeah.
I think that's a pretty fair price.
So, would you take 6 if I gave you 6, or
No, he's firm on 700.
you got a tire for it?
Yep, right over here.
Oh, yeah.
Never changed a motorcycle tire. That'll be interesting.
He's here if you want to talk to him.
Yeah, did you guys figure out how to start it and stuff?
Oh,
Yeah.
we got started, and he took it for a little ride while he still has light.
It's a cool bike. I mean, do you think it's misfiring at all, or you think that's every cylinder firing?
I believe it's every cylinder firing. When I got it, it wasn't running. It needed a starter and a gear starter.
Yeah.
I replaced the starter, the gear starter, and the ignition. I changed the oil on it.
Did you touch the carburetors at all? Did you clean them or?
I looked at the carburetors because I had to pull them off to do the starter.
Yeah.
They were clean.
So, you wouldn't take 600, right?
I'd really like to get close to 7, to be honest with you.
Do you think we?
I mean,
you think we can go somewhere in between there?
we could do 650. I could do with that.
You'll do 650.
They're ready, so I can
Yeah.
live with that.
All right. Well, actually, I only have 20, so I'll have to do 660. I'll do 660.
Okay.
Well, I
All
got
right,
20.
that's fair. That's fine.
Is there anything I should know, or?
I mean, I took it down the block, to the end of the road and back. It ran fairly decent. I'm not really into sports bikes. I'm more of a cruiser type of guy.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that's the only reason why I was going to hold on to it, and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to, it's not my cup of tea, really, to be honest with you.
You think the engine's healthy? You think it's got life left?
Yeah, no, it sounds definitely healthy.
Okay.
It sounds pretty good. Once you let it run, I mean, it needs a gas cap.
Yeah.
There's 4 screws, actually, which will definitely have a good summer with it, to be honest with you.
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
All right, you're very welcome.
Have a nice day. All right. Well, I'll get the cash and we'll count it out.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
4, 5. This should be 660 if you want to count it out. I just counted it.
Okay.
Go for it if you want to lay it out in the garage or somewhere, not windy.
Wait, what does it rev to? Oh yeah, 12. You see that? You see it?
660 is the bike, right?
Yeah.
Got a bike. That was quick. What did we start looking yesterday?
Yeah.
Revved it a little bit. Like I got into the power a little bit. It was going. It was going. Is that good?
That's good.
Awesome.
All right.
All right. Well, we'll try to load this bad boy up, I guess. Oh yeah! I'm the truck. That's heavy.
Yes, it is.
Thanks. Here, I'll take that from you. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Time to head out. Thank you very much, sir. It's a pleasure.
Yes, sir.
Be safe.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
We're going to be off-roading this thing.
Okay.
All right. Facebook Marketplace meetup successful. Got the bike in the back.
Hopefully it does not fall. We'll do some swerve tests in a little bit.
We definitely just got scammed.
So it was funny. The guy, he's like, oh, my son's trying to flip it. And then we spoke to his son on the phone. He's like, yeah, it's just not my cup of tea.
He's like, yeah,
I already know what you're doing, buddy. It's all right. I know you flipping it. Came here with 800, expecting to still have to pay 1,000. We're leaving with this, 140. So we paid $660 for a race bike that may or not blow up.
May or may not. Whoa.
Now we're gonna drive home very slowly. I mean, I drove it. This kid wasn't filming. I was ripping it. See you at home. A little swerve.
Oh my god. No, it's just the suspension. It's fine.
All right.
Oh, bro, we just noticed that we never got a title.
We're driving back. He's like, bro, we never got a title.
Bro, there's no way. We never got a fucking title, bro. Not even a bill of sale, nothing.
Oh well. Can I get cookies and cream on a cone? You have soft serve?
Soft serve? No.
Yeah. What do you want?
11:47.
There's 2 of these, right?
Yeah, he's getting one.
All right, thank you. Where's yours?
His helmet on.
Man, why don't they give us the cute girl, bro? They're just giving us random people. They're not giving us the cute girl.
She looked at you.
Thank you, bro.
How are you?
Yeah. As you can see, we made it back. Look at me. You see my smile? You see my smile? I'm cheesing. Look at this. It needs some work.
Brand new bike.
It needs some work.
Brand new bike.
We're going to take this out, put it over there, drop the truck off, get my car back, blah, blah, blah. Then we'll check the oil, maybe do a burnout to end the video. Put the thing on the kick. Oh, look at that. We're gonna check the oil on this really quickly. Where do we check the oil?
There's a dipstick.
I can't wait. We're gonna off-road this thing. We're gonna do so many crazy things with it.
Fresh oil.
All right, so we got oil.
She's
We'll
fresh.
do a baby little burnout before I put it away for the night, and we'll call it there. Let's see how she starts. Uh-oh. What did we buy?
Oh.
What the heck was that? I wonder why the starter was fried.
This thing is fucked. The valves are fucked, bro.
Alright, so this thing obviously needs a little tune-up. Either it's going to tune up nicely and run good, or it's going to blow up or something. But we're going to find out. Sorry I didn't do a burnout. It was not working well. We will do one once we get this running good. So next video, making it run good, if it will run good.
And maybe some
Cosmetics?
cosmetics,
We'll
yes.
see if we can make it run good. If not, let it blow up, right?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching.